أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قد سمع الله قول التي تجادلك في زوجها وتشتكي إلى الله والله يسمع تحاوركما إن الله سميع بصير. Allah has heard what the woman who is arguing with you concerning her husband and who is directing her complaint to Allah, for Allah is listening to your discussion. Surely Allah hears and sees everything. الذين يظاهرون منكم من نسائهم ما هن أمهاتهم إن أمهاتهم إلا الله ولدنهم وإنهم ليقولون منكرا من القول وزورا وإن الله لعفو غفور. Those among you who separated from their wives while in their homes by pronouncing them unlawful to them as the back of their own mothers, they are not their mothers. Their mothers are those who gave birth to them. Surely what they are saying is an objectionable statement and mere falsehood. Yet Allah is surely oft pardoning, oft forgiving for the penitents. والذين يظاهرون من نسائهم ثم يعودون لما قالوا فتحرير رقبة من قبل أن يتماسا ذلكم توعظون به والله بما تعملون خبير. As to those who pronounce their wives as unlawful to them, but then they go back on their words, they must make an offering by freeing a slave before they can touch each other again. This is a mild admonition, so that you take heed of it, and Allah is well acquainted with what you are doing. فمن لم يجد فصيام شهرين متتابعين من قبل أن يتماسا فمن لم يستطع فإطعام 60 مسكينا ذلك لتؤمنوا بالله ورسوله وتلك حدود الله وللكافرين عذاب أليم. Whoever cannot afford that, then he must fast for 2 consecutive months prior to touching each other, and whoever still cannot do that, he then must feed 60 poor indigents. That is a requital from your oath, so that you may reaffirm your faith in the sovereign Lord and his messenger. These are the boundaries of Allah, while a painful chastisement is reserved for those who reject the truth. إن الذين يحادون الله ورسوله كتبوا كما كتب الذين من قبلهم وقد أنزلنا آيات بينات وللكافرين عذاب مهين. As to those who oppose and defy Allah and His Messenger, their intent is repressed, as stifled was the lot of those before them. For we have certainly brought down clear signs, and most humiliating will be the chastisement for those who reject the truth. يوم يبعثهم الله جميعا فينبئهم بما عملوا أحصاه الله ونسوه والله على كل شيء شهيد. The day when Allah resurrects them all together and informs them about what they did, Allah has recorded and enumerated what they did and what they forgot, for Allah is a witness over all things. ألم تر أن الله يعلم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض ما يكون من نجوى 3 إلا هو رابعهم ولا 5 إلا هو سادسهم ولا أدنى من ذلك ولا أكثر إلا هو معهم أينما كانوا ثم ينبئهم بما عملوا يوم القيامة إن الله بكل شيء عليم. Do you not see that Allah certainly knows everything that takes place in the heavens and on earth? There is not a private conversation that takes place between 3 people where Allah is not their 4th, nor 5, but He is their 6th, nor less or greater in number, but He is with them wherever He may be. And then He will inform them about what they did on the day of resurrection. Surely Allah knows everything. O my Allah Pak, O my Lord, please grant us the knowledge and wisdom of your holy book, as well as give us the courage and confidence to apply this wholesome knowledge onto ourselves and pass it on to others. Ameen Ya Rabbul Alameen. Thank you, my Allah Pak. Thank you, my Lord.